In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get read receipt confirming email viewed in Outlook. If you're using Outlook on the web, requesting a read receipt is a quick way to ask for confirmation that your message was opened. Keep in mind that read receipts depend on the recipient's email settings and organization policies, so you may not always get one back, but this will show you the correct way to request it. Start by going to outlook.live.com in your web browser. If you're not already in your mailbox, choose Mail so you're looking at your inbox and folders. Next, begin a new message by selecting New Mail. This opens the Compose window on the right or in a new pane, depending on your layout. Before you type your message, open the options for this email. In the Compose toolbar, click Options. In some layouts, this lives under the three-dot More menu. In the Message Options panel, look for the setting labeled Request a Read Receipt and check it. This tells Outlook to send you a notification when the recipient opens the message. Now address your email. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address. You can add CC or BCC if needed, but at minimum include the primary recipient here. Add a clear subject so the recipient knows what the email is about, and compose your message in the body. If the confirmation is important, it's courteous to mention near the end that you've requested a read receipt, since some mail apps will ask the recipient whether to send it. When you're ready, click Send. That's it. The request is attached to this one message. If the recipient's system supports read receipts and they agree to send one, you'll receive a confirmation message in your inbox indicating the email was viewed. Read receipts are message specific, so you'll need to turn the option on each time you want one. They're not guaranteed. Some organizations block them or let people decline. So if you don't get a receipt, it doesn't necessarily mean your message wasn't read. And that's the process. You went to Outlook on the web, opened Mail, created a new message, opened Options, checked Request, a read receipt, addressed your email, added a subject and wrote your message, and sent it off. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.